Alright, so I just got the 3-speed air filtration system, model 3410 by WEN, that I'm going to install in the shop, and we'll see how it works. Not only is it really dusty where I live, but I need to filter out the sawdust. Alright, it comes with the hangers and everything. So we are going to start installing these hangers so that we can hang it from the ceiling. Alright, I got those in, so now I'm going to take the hooks and drill into the ceiling joists. And it has instructions on how far away it needs to be from the wall and a corner, etc. Alright, we've got it attached to the ceiling. You can adjust the chains to make it level. Now we're going to give it a shot. So it's got a timer, 4 hour, 1 hour, and speed. Seems to be working great. The cord is about 4 feet long, so you need an outlet within that distance. We'll see how it improves the air quality. Okay, so let's test the suction. We're on high right now. Hey, not bad. Let's go to low, medium, high. Yeah, great suction. Alright, so it looks like this will work. It's got this filter on the outside and then another filter on the inside. And I can actually, up here I can feel the air moving. This should help a lot. Alright, so that's a quick install of the WEN air filtration system. Thanks for watching the Green Workbench. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time.